This one is the 12th session of Industrial Economics, and this session is related to national income, its meaning and definitions. So first of all, meaning of national income. National income is the money value of all the final goods and services produced by an economy in a specific period of time, which normally be specified as a year. It is the total output produced by the four factors of production. Next part is definitions of national income. The term of national income is used in a variety of senses depending on what is included in and excluded from the national income concept and what method is used for estimating national income. The following are some of the important definitions of national income. The first definition is given by Professor Alfred Marshall. According to him, national income means the labor and capital of the country acting on its natural resources produce annually a certain net aggregate of commodities, material and immaterial, including services of all kinds. The next definition was given by Professor Irving Fisher. According to him, the national dividend or income consists solely of services as received by ultimate consumers, whether from their material or from their human environment. According to A.C.P. Gu, the national dividend is that part of the objective income of the community, including, of course, income derived from abroad, which can be measured in terms of money. According to Paul A. Samuelson, gross national production, that is GNP, is the most comprehensive measure of a nation's total output of goods and services. It is the sum of the dollar, that is money value of consumption, gross investment, government purchases of goods and services, and net exports. According to National Income Committee of India, national income estimate measures the volume of commodities and services turned out during a given period, counted without duplication. According to Paul S. Samuelson, So these are the some definitions of the national income, and the reference have been made from the book called Indian Economy, written by Dr. R.Y. Khan, and some internet sources have also been used for the reference. Thank you.